Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the best affordable skincare products. So let's quickly get started. So the number one product I have by Plum, and it is their Simply Bright face wash, which actually has rice water and 2% niacinamide with hyaluronic acid. And the best part about it is that it is extremely affordable, which is it retails for 299 rupees. And you all know that rice water is a powerful antioxidant, and it also has vitamin D8, which is very very good for the skin. It actually helps, and helps to soothe in, strengthen, and also helps with the skin elasticity, and also brightens the skin and also smoothens the skin. So it is a great product. I really love this product. So if you're looking for something which has active and at the same time is affordable, you should surely try this out. The next product is a toner. Now, if you really want like an affordable toner, you should always stick to the basic and to the roots, which is a rose water. Now, the one I have is from Wish Care, and this is their pure and natural 100% rose water, and it is steam distilled, which is so great. By the way, this is like a 50 ml water, which is actually for 199 rupees. And what if I tell you that if you order it like today, it is gonna be at 50% off, which means you can get this for straight 100 rupees. I'm gonna put like a post right here to, I'm like so amazed, like it is 100 rupees. I just saw that it has like a sale on it, and I'm gonna grab it. This is extremely great. You all you have to do is just spray that water on your face and keep it for like good 2 minutes, and that's about it. It will gently absorb into your skin, and your skin is gonna feel so much calmer. Also, if you have inflammation or you have redness on your skin, or you have a very sensitive skin, you should actually use rose water. It will really help you calm you down. It is absolutely stunning, and I love the fact that it comes in a bigger jar and also comes like in this smaller size, so that it is very easier when you're traveling. And it comes with this spray thing right here, which is so convenient. So I think it is a great deal to buy. So get your hands on it. So the next product I have is a serum. Now you all know that I love a good vitamin C serum, and my personal favorite is by Klairs, and it is absolutely stunning because you can see results in less than 1 week, but it retails for around 1400 or 1500 rupees. So I got an alternative which is still pretty much at an affordable price. So the one I have is by Wishcare, and it is their Super Bright C16 Vitamin C, and this actually retails for good 699 rupees, which is a very good affordable product. Because when you go out there for a serum, it is going to be super expensive. The Claire's one that I was talking to you all about, it has like the purest form of vitamin C, and that is the reason you see results super fast. With this product, you will have to wait, and you have to be super consistent. You will see result only post 4 weeks of usage, and not before that. I've been using it for every single morning, and I can see results only after few weeks, not like in a week or in like 5 days. You really have to be consistent with it. So if you're looking for something in the vitamin C serum category, you can totally check this out, because for 700, I think this is a great product. Is really good. And also it says that it has 16% super brightening formula, which means it has vitamin C, kojic acid, and a lot of other actives, which is so good for your skin. So I think it's a great product. So let's move to the moisturizer. So the one I have and I have been talking about, and I don't know how many tubes I have finished of this particular product. So if you don't know, I am that person who loves a good product which has science and like an Ayurvedic, like a mixture of it. I really, really love those kind of product. And one of those is by Dr. Sheth, and this is their Kesar and Kojic acid oil free moisturizer, which actually helps to hydrate and fade pigmentation. It is extremely great, non sticky, it really glides on your skin very, very beautifully. So, I love this product. It has Kesar extract, it has 1% Kojic acid, and it also has alpha arbutin, which really helps to fade away the pigments. And yes, it retails for about 349 rupees, but you also get this on discount. And honestly, I think 349 rupees is very affordable, wherein you get like kesar and kojic acid in it, which means an Ayurvedic product, ingredient plus a science backed active. I mean, it's such a great deal. Any which ways, I love Dr. Sheth products. I mean, these are so affordable yet so amazing products. It is absolutely stunning. So yes, this is something it looks like, and I absolutely love it. So the next product I have is a sunscreen, and it is by the Derma Co. It is their 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. Now this has SPF 50 with PA4 pluses, and the best part about this product is it is broad spectrum, which means it helps with UVA and UVB rays, and along with that the blue lighting, it also protects you from that. Now what is blue lighting? Jitna I know, the rays that come out of your screen. So if you're someone who sits on the desktop or laptop or is in front of the screen for a very long time, this product is for you, because it really helps to not let that radiation get inside your skin. Because of all of these heat, your skin tend to become very dry, which we don't at all think, so this is absolutely stunning. So I really love this product, and also it is fragrance free, and its quick observing feature is so amazing. It just gets into your skin. There has been a time in 2024 that lot of people out there was raving about this product, and I get it why. I have been using this from past 2 months, and it is absolutely amazing. And yes, it cost it costs 499, which is very good, because for this kind of jar, and it's been 2 months already, I'm still using this. I mean, I do switch between sunscreen, but yes, I've been using this from 2 months, and I think it's a great deal, 499. And on discount, you obviously get it on Nykaa and different platforms. So yes, I absolutely love. So the last product I have is by Dr. Sheth again. Now this is their licorice and lactic acid peel. It has 8.8% of lactic acid, 2% of niacinamide, and it also has some extract, and it is actually for even toned and glowing skin. Now what does this do is, especially for people who are outdoors, or you are in vacation and you come back and you're tan, because Indian skin type tend to get tan and pigment very soon. So this actually helps to fade away the tan and the pigment eventually. It is a great product. With face wash and with moisturizer, it will take like a lot more time, but this one right here is a stunner. It's absolutely amazing. Now this one will cost us 449 rupees, which is again great. You also get these on discount. You should also check their website, because you also get buy one get one offer out there. You should absolutely check the Dr. Sheth product. And yes, having said that, this product is stunning. Now there are three ways that you can use this product. Number one, apply like a thin layer, keep it for 5 to 10 minutes, and just gently wipe it off. The another thing is that you can actually use this under your night um, cream, a very thin layer. Apply the night cream or gel and just sleep, and morning you just have to wash your face. And the third thing is, if you have like scars here and there, you just have to put like a dot here and just sleep off, because it will really help to get rid of that scar but you have to be super consistent. And yes, that was all about this video. I really hope this helped, because a lot of people out there were asking me for affordable skincare, so I thought I'll just make like a morning skincare routine along with one product which really helps with tanning and pigment. So I really hope this helped, and let me know in the comments your thoughts and what kind of videos you want me to try. And with that, if you like the video, you know the drill: like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. La la.